Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download Vidmate and its uses. So let's start our video after an intro.
सी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा।
मस्त प्लान है।
इस साइड से आलू डालो, उस साइड से सोना निकालो।
इसी में मैं तिवारी का कर्जा चुका के अपने पापों का प्रायश्चित पूरा करूं।
To this, watch the video carefully. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our new uploaded video. And also follow me in Facebook, Instagram, and in Telegram. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. Scroll down in the description box. You will find an app link. Open it. It takes you to the browser. Click the download button here. And click OK. Install the app. And open the app. Here you will find different sites of videos. This is helpful to you download videos from different sites. And here you can search the video. Click on the video. And video will play. Click the download button here. Select the music versions for download song. And select video version for download video. Now click download button. Download starts. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like and share this video to your friends. And comment me how the video is helpful for you. And please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our new uploaded video. Thank you.